Service business owners, are you still losing leads because clients message you on WhatsApp, DMs, or email, and everything just disappears into chaos? Imagine this instead. A potential client finds you online. They click one simple link and fill out a clean, professional form. The moment they hit send, they instantly get an automatic thank you email so they feel taken care of. You get a proper notification with all their details: name, date, budget, message, everything you need. It drops straight into your leads dashboard, and it even tracks exactly where the lead came from. So you finally know which marketing is actually working. Then, when you check availability, you hit one button and a polished confirmation email goes out automatically. Or you can customize it in seconds if you want. No more chasing people, no more lost inquiries, no more guessing which channels bring real clients. This optimization done properly. Built inside Workflow Organizer Professional for any service business that's tired of the admin headache. Want to turn more inquiries into paying clients without working harder? Comment leads below and I'll send you the link to check it out. Stop losing money on messy systems. Start optimizing your leads today.